Guys, before we start this video, I'm going to be doing a giveaway during this video. It's going to be a very simple giveaway, and it's a simple guess. The first person to comment with the correct response in an unedited comment will actually win. But I'll give you more details later on in this video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. My name is Chris, and today we're going to be talking all about axolotls. In this footage here from a previous video, our female is depositing eggs right on the leaf of this Java fern. And in that video, we collected all of these eggs and set up 2 enclosures to be able to hatch them. If you haven't seen that video, you can click the card in the top right corner and go back and watch that. But today's video is going to be all about hatching these axolotl eggs. So stay tuned and let's get into this. Did you see my video this last, it was 2 videos ago. I set up this enclosure system to hatch baby axolotl eggs, and well, today we're gonna be focused all on these baby axolotl eggs, and these containers are doing fantastic. And in fact, I want you to take a close look at what's going on in here. Do you see this, guys? There are baby axolotls. They have hatched. So today is going to be about the care and maintenance of these containers with these baby axolotls. The first thing we're going to have to do is first check and cull out any eggs that happen to not be fertile, because they can cause an ammonia spike in this tank. So let's go ahead and start with that. First thing we want to do is cull out any bad eggs. So we're going to start with this little plastic container right here, and we want to go ahead and we want to get some of this water directly out of this axolotl bin in here. Then we want to go ahead and come in here and start pulling these eggs out one by one and placing them into this container. See this right here? That egg can go in the trash. So I do believe that we have our remaining eggs right here. They are gonna need a little bit of assistance, so we're gonna go ahead and help hatch these real quick. So what we're gonna do is take a pair of scissors and very, very gently and very carefully, we are going to cut a small little hole in the side of this egg. Put that guy back in there, and he's out. You can see him right there. He totally needed assistance being hatched. He is well developed. So we will do the same thing with these other 2 real quick. We got all of the axolotls hatched from this tub as well. So we're gonna go ahead and put these guys back in here as well. Well, now that these things have all been hatched, we need to go ahead and prepare food for them. So we're gonna start with some brine shrimp. Let's go ahead and get that done. So I'm going to be using a Hobby Artemia or brine shrimp hatchery, and I found this on Amazon, and it actually came with a bottle of brine shrimp eggs. It's a pretty simple setup. All you do is fill it up to the fill line with some salt water, and then you're going to take this little plastic ring and place it right in the middle. It has notches so it fits perfectly. This prevents all of the brine shrimp eggshells from making it to the middle where you harvest your brine shrimp. Next, we're going to go ahead and add this little filtration cup right to the middle. So this cup is used to actually filter the baby brine shrimp out once they're hatched. Once we get this in here, we just simply add scoops of brine shrimp eggs to the outside, cover it, and place it in a well-lit area for about 24 to 72 hours until you start seeing brine shrimp making their way to the middle, because they will try to find the light. Once they start making it to the middle, simply extract them with a pipette, some sort of a syringe, something like that. You can store these in the refrigerator for about 4 or 5 days safely and feed all of your fish, baby axolotls, guppies, whatever they are. Since we have our brine shrimp hatched here, we're gonna go ahead and feed these systems real quick. All of our baby axolotls have been fully hatched at this point. We have just fed them some brine shrimp. Brine shrimp have a very low lifespan once you put them into fresh water. They're only gonna last for just a little bit. We don't want any kind of an ammonia spike happening, so we're gonna allow these guys to eat for just a little bit, and then we're gonna come back in and do a water change and clean up all this debris from the bottom. If you notice here, we have 3 little axolotls that are right there that actually happen to be eating on some baby brine shrimp. And then there's some more down here. You can see all those baby axolotls. So we want to make sure that they stay safe. So we're going to let these guys eat for a little bit, and then we'll come back and do a water change. Now for this water change, I'm going to be using a dark colored bucket. The purpose of that is simple. If one of these baby axolotls happens to get sucked up in this bucket, I'll be able to easily see it and make sure that it doesn't stay. We actually do have a few. You can see one here, and one here. So we need to rescue those guys out of there. We'll do that in just a minute. Get those guys back in their setup. All right, guys. Well, now that we have everything cleaned out, let's go ahead and fill this thing back up with some water. So we're using pre-conditioned water to fill this back up. It was already pre-mixed in a bucket. Somebody had made the comment in the last video stating that API wasn't safe for axolotls because it contains aloe. I specifically made that statement in my video that I am using Aqua Essentials to dechlorinate, and Aqua Essential is an API product that does not include aloe, so it is in fact safe for axolotls. Alright guys, well everything is doing so well in here. All of our baby axolotls are doing fantastic. They've been fed their brine shrimp. The tanks have been fully cleaned out and everything is good. So I told you in the beginning of this video we were going to do a giveaway. The concept of this giveaway is pretty simple. All you have to do is guess how many baby axolotls we have combined in both of these tubs. The first person to get it correct in an unedited comment will win something for free from freshwaterscrub.com. Could be a piece of merchandise, a plant pack. I'll leave that up to you to be your choice. If nobody guesses correct, then I will go to the closest guess. Whoever the first person is that guesses the closest, they will be the next one to win. Comment as many times and as many guesses as you have. How many baby axolotls exist in these 2 tubs that have hatched total? Make sure you comment that now. Well, with that guys, thanks so much for watching this video. Hopefully you went on to enjoy it. I know it was kind of short and you know, that's okay. But all of our baby axolotls, and it's crazy to look over there and they're all swimming around in the water. I cannot wait until these things grow out. So make sure you subscribe, turn on your notification bell, make sure you comment below, enter the giveaway. If you have not followed us on Instagram or Facebook, please do that as well. Links to both are down in the description of every video. And with that, I have to tell you, I am truly grateful for each and every single last one of you that take the time to watch my videos, like, comment, all of those things. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love you guys, and we will see you next time.